Hi, look at the fog this morning. The grass is very wet. I'm walking barefooted. It's very foggy. The birdhouse. But look how foggy it is. Wow. See how foggy it is. Osprey eagles, or the osprey. Very foggy. Wow. Sometimes it'll creep right over here, and you won't even be able to see anything. Like 5 feet in front of you. I've been blessed, and I've been blessed with a lot more. And I have guardian angels right here. It lights up at night. I just wanted to show you the fog is very foggy.